Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I already prepared some what you call this one, baluster post for the handrail. And now we are going to apply if this can work on the handrail as post. So let's do this. So as you can see, there is a twisted iron that I prepared. If you want to go on the isometric, it's going to be like this. So it's twisted, and I think this is a good design for a handrail. Okay, let's see. So create a new project. Architectural, and okay. So let's go back here and select this one. We're going to put some materials the same. Okay, and then save and load to the project. Okay, so we're going to make some railings. So some railings like this. So enter. So go to the 3D. So this is the default. So how can I apply the custom baluster that we prepared? Is simply edit this type, then duplicate and type the sample. Okay, and we're going to edit this one and change this to baluster post 2, and the distance make is 400, and we get it the host and make this at 1100. Now if you want to select if you want to see if the handrail is going to work, simply check this view so we can see if this is gonna apply like this. So for now it's going to apply, it's apply. So we're going to put some I think reduce the height of this one up to 1000, 10,050. Okay, and we're going to change this to post, and I think going to change this to post, and as you can see this is to post, and then apply, and then okay, apply, and then okay. So see, so the handrail post is changing, and we will add some top and bottom handrail. So there is a frame under this handrail. So to do that, just edit and put this one insert, and this is going to be a bottom. Height is 0, offset is 0, and the default is just choose the this one for the bottom. Leave it like this, and we will fix that later. So as you can see, so the handrail is been. Now I want to change the top of the profile. So what I'm going to do is file, new, family, and then put it on the list so you can see the metric profile rail, and then open. So we're going to I think we're going to make some profile for this one. Again, file and new family, and yeah, I think this one since the profile rail. So open, and for this one we're going to make a profile. So we're going to check the reference plane offset by 100, 100 and 100 and 100 and 100. So we're going to create a line 10, 50, and I think it's 30 and mirror, and mirror. Create a line, and a line. So we're going to make a radius for the 40, 40, and make this 15 and 15. So for this we're not gonna change the, we're going to save as family to BIM tools, and let's check this top rail custom profile. Okay, we can make it yes, make it top. So we're going to load this to project 1, and then okay, for that we're going to 3D model. So tab this one and edit rail, and for that one is I think edit and custom apply, then okay, then finish. So we have this top rail modified as per, as you can see it's big, and I think we need to reduce this up to 250. Apply, okay, apply, and okay. So this is gonna be our custom handrail baluster with custom baluster foss. Okay, so thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy to watch this video, and see you for the other tutorial. Thanks, please subscribe.